Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Oracle Linux 9.3 on VMware Workstation 17.5. So this is my updated version of VMware. So make sure that you have installed the updated version of VMware. So now I am creating one new virtual machine, selecting I will install the operating system later. So under Linux, select Oracle Linux 964-bit. Okay. Next, provide one name to the virtual machine. Next, provide the path where virtual machine is getting stored. Okay, next. So provide the virtual address 40 GB I am allocating, stored as single file. Customize hardware, I am allocating 8 GB RAM, CPU cores, 4 CPU cores. So use ISO image file Oracle Linux 9. Network adapter will be host only. So this is the offline installation, no internet connection is needed. So everything will be taken care by VMware Workstation. Okay, now let us start the machine. Okay, welcome to the Oracle Linux 9.3 installer. So English will be the default language. Next, select the installation destination. Software selection, that is base environment will be server with guide. Time and date I am selecting according to my locate. Provide the root password. So I am providing the simple root password. Next, provide the login username and password to the login user. I am providing very simple password. So installation is completed and I have rebooted the virtual machine. Now I am logging to the Oracle Linux 9.3 virtual machine. So all the VMware tools will be installed automatically. So now I am checking whether guest installation, drag and drop and copy paste is enabled automatically. So I am going to check that. So I am going to type some command and copy the terminal output to Windows host machine. Okay, to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Let me try from Windows host machine to Oracle Linux 9.3 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste smoothly. So copy paste functionality, that is shared clipboard feature, is working fine. Okay, now I am going to check drag and drop feature. Okay, so I am going to check the drag and drop feature. I am going to drag and drop some files from Windows host machine to Oracle Linux 9.3 virtual machine. Let me check. So let me drag and drop. Yes, I can able to drag and drop. So it will a little bit difficult. It depends upon your mouse. Okay. So you can check the file operations, whether the file is copied completely or incomplete. Yes, I can able to drag and drop smoothly. You can check the file operations here. Okay. So drag and drop is succeeded. I can able to copy paste the files. Okay. Now finally I am going to check the shared folder feature. So I am shutting down the Oracle Linux 9.3 virtual machine. So virtual machine settings, options, shared folders always enabled. So now I am adding the Windows host machine shared folder. That is, I am mounting the shared folders to Oracle Linux 9.3 virtual machine. So enable this share. So this is the name of the share. Okay. Okay, now I type the command vmware-hgfs-client. So you can see that shared folder is mounted, and also you can see that hgfs directory is already there. Okay, so in hgfs directory only the shared folder will be mounted. Okay, so we need to access the content of shared folder. For that purpose, I am logging as a root user. Next, I am going to edit the /etc/fstab file. So under the fstab file, add the below entry. Yes, add this entry vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other. Okay. So I have provided the commands in the description of this video. Mount -a will mount all the directories. systemctl daemon -reload. Okay, now open another tab, login as an ordinary user and try to access the shared folder. Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder. So finally, Oracle Linux 9.3 installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMware Tools is successful. All the three features, shared clipboard, drag and drop and shared folders are working fine.